Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XL trim and with the STX Special Edition Appearance Package, and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Plenty of power for 4x4ing, some towing, whatever you want to do with this vehicle. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for two with the classic jumper seats that are kind of well known with the Rangers. If we just unhook this, then there is a compartment underneath for your jack and some other storage. And in the middle, you have a 12-volt power outlet. And looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with things such as a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip mileage, trip timer, fuel economy for said trip. Then you can also look at your fuel economy separately, your driver assistance features and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to the center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you do have some options. Radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then you have your media controls as well as your climate controls, once again with dual front climate. Then below that you have two 12-volt power outlets here, and then two USBs down there, so you can plug something into power charge from there. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, your rear differential lock, traction control shut off, and your tow haul mode. Here you have your 4x4 selector, shifter, whatever you want to call it. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest here, which is relatively spacious inside. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.